Hello my friends and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Bits on the Side. Now if you don't know what Tony's Bits on the Side is, it is a separate playlist on the Tony's Comfort Kitchen channel where I cook a number of side dishes, small plates, so starters, tapas, plates, things like that, some desserts. And this week I'm doing a little tapas dish, I suppose you could call it, or a little tapas plate, which is these little peppers. The Spanish, they're typically Spanish, and they're called Piquillos de Padron, or Pimientos de Padron. And they're basically eaten whole. I mean, not the stems, but I mean the whole, the rest of the pepper, with a tapas, or you could eat these with pre-dinner drinks, aperitifs, and the likes. They are super simple to make, and it doesn't take, I think it takes about 5 minutes, so this is going to be quite a short video. But they are wonderful with a drink, with a glass of wine or a glass of cider, a glass of Basque cider or something like that. So let's crack on. Okay, so we start heating up the pan. Just put a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil in the pan. Okay, with the oil heating up, we'll just put a couple of cloves, big fat cloves of garlic in there. And then, of course, the peppers. Now, the idea is that you just cook these peppers, and what happens? The skins start to blister, and basically, as soon as that skin starts to blister, then that's them ready. I've grown these for years. These are actually bought from a shop. I don't grow them. I haven't got a vegetable garden anymore, but I used to grow these quite a lot. And there's some tale about apparently that these are mild. They're a mild pepper unless you get them to go red. They get quite hot. But they're supposed to be eaten when they're green. However, there's a tale that says that 1 in 10 of these green ones is meant to be red hot, and it's like Russian roulette eating. But to be honest, I've had so many of these things. As I say, I grew them, I've eaten them quite a lot, and I've never ever come across one of these ones that's supposed to be hot. So I think it's a bit of a fallacy. As you can see, the skin's starting to blister. What happens when they're cooked, they start to sink in on themselves, like any pepper does when you've roasted them or anything. And then you simply just pick them up, pop them in your mouth, and they are a delight. It's starting to soften up now. It should only be another minute or so. And basically, that is it. That's all there is to it. I'll turn the heat off. I'll let them cool down. And those, my friends, are Piquillos de Padron. I'm going to have a taste of one. I don't always have it with garlic. The garlic does make a very good addition. As I say, you eat the whole thing. It's not stalk. You just eat all the seeds and the inside. I'm telling you, people, give this a go. Have them with drinks, and you won't go wrong. Piquillos de Padron, or Pimientos de Padron, is the name. So I hope you like this video. It's a very short one, but if you like what you saw, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love, my friends. Peace and love.